mara ke lapile guys. I'm sure la khona lo bona re ke lapile mo mahlong like yo ke lapile shem. No energy, no power. Gore ke robale, no. Gore ke robale. Or ko di guys ko ja charger ke take charge ka mo. Ke ska end the live. Ola pisha king judge o jwa ka. Ena ke tšo felo shem. Sa ke no dula zeng ke dia selo. Mara ke lapile. Ke di guys ke ending go chargeisha or ke tle ke charge ka mo ke be charger mo. Ke ska end the live. Fropo ko re lena alinya ku subscribe YouTube channel ya ka. Alinya ku like live ya ka. So I guys na ke tlo end ka charge phone ka robala. Tsamorobala ko robala ne. How can you follow my account? Okay. Oh hi ke lapile shem. Hi kutlwano. Are like in live ya ka re fitleng 3k likes. Let's like the live. I'm tall. Hi Silva. I just followed you now. Thank you for the follow. Sima. I'm fanaga. Yes, dinta. Dirang. Sharp. Na ke sharp. Bo ja batho ba subscribe YouTube channel like or go kgone post guys. Ke na le energy guys. Let's ka fetsa energy ki ya kane le sa subscribe because ke tlo ngala na go release. Ke tlo elesa YouTube e le na le sa subscribe. And ke na le energy shem. Hello. Khani any imaging tsebeng. Imagine tsebeng mathabata. Google please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ka kopa tu Lwena Nelson. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a link on my bio. Let's get to 50 subs. Let's get to 50 subs. You are tired, Shemio? I am. Yes. Oh, I am. I'm gonna lie. My biggest fan. Thank you, Satata. So go and subscribe and get more of my content. No, if you like more TikTok, I want to killing na or ke phela jwang ke phela le bomang cause content ke no bantu yuani. I'm always lip syncing and all that, so I decided or no about let me expand my content so you guys can get to know me and get to see the person that I am besides on TikTok lantwara. So I decided to create a YouTube channel for you guys, but then you guys are not subscribing. That's the problem. You guys don't want to subscribe. You guys don't want to subscribe. I'm tall. Yeah, man. Yo. Utumela ba ne ke le ga gano ba rona o ile kae? Tja kerekeng. Ya ne ke le ga gano ba ru tja kerekeng. Ke khotse mathapelo fela. Mara ne ke sa dule ne ke feta. Can you answer my text please? Okay, ke tlo di answer. When I go and subscribe, ke tlo di answer. Hey TT Production.